Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Ace 5 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find security and privacy. And then let's scroll down and find device unlock and tap on fingerprint and face unlock. Now we have to tap on fingerprint and let's confirm everything with your screen lock. Here we've got the information about the whole technology connected with this fingerprint recognition, so just tap on add. And here we've got the sensor, so we can put our finger on it, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, of course. Alright, let's tap on done. And here we've got the fingerprint section, so this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, add another fingerprint. Here we can decide for what we want to use the fingerprint for and change the things like, for example, the fingerprint icon or animation. It's totally up to you. Alright, so now let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. So here we've got the sensor, let me put my finger on it, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.